Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Intel Rapid Storage Technology Service is not working on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is to update all the drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options. Select optional updates and install all optional updates available. Next solution is to perform a system restore on your computer. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Now click on open system restore. If it is not configured, you'll have to click on system protection, click on configure, turn on system protection, apply, click on OK, create a new restore point and hit enter. Now wait till this part is done. Okay, it is creating a restore point. Okay, and then click on OK. Click on open system restore. Once you have created a restore point, otherwise it will not work. Now click on next, select the good restore point, click on next, click on finish, and then click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this okay? And yeah, one last solution. Try an SFC scan on your computer. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.